Boy, yes.
So you know, say I get old in a life, you know, when you start to enjoy them tune. When me a boy and them sitting there, they may play. Right, they still play now, so if you got a country dance, they may warm up a party, you know. When it's too soup still a boil and them something there, and them the figure they stringing up by sound and turn up a tweet at them and fix up bass and all type of sitting.
I wish you would stay longer. Like these words.
See the original, yeah?
When things speaking, things and your things in it planting. The time and everything in the juggling. I've been going to one. Such a lovely time. So glad I showed you my erection. Girl, you're my everything.
Yo, say you're leaving and the reason is clear. Because I am a bunty and you're leaving. I guess this is sort of like a little life lesson type thing. Some of there, so, and I don't know how to program the radio in terms of saving a channel. Because, you know, one of them things, yeah. I don't know how to do it. I didn't know how to. And I needed to save like a channel so easier for just press the number and get to whatever. Me figure out that much said that's what the buttons are for. You just whatever channel is there, but I don't know how to save it. So I don't know. I just get this intuitive, this little intuition. Say, why don't you just press and hold the number on the channel that you want to save? Lo and behold. So may I try to save this now? If you notice there is no number beside it, that means it's not saved in the thing. So I press and hold, you know? Boom. It worked. It worked. I think to myself, like, where did I get this information from? Because I have never done nothing like that before. Why did my brain go to a place that says press and hold? Why did I sort of like, me know the information, but me no know the information? If you don't understand what I say. And then, you know, me do what my brain tell me to do. And it worked. So I say that to say this, sometimes in a life, certain things, you know, follow the intuition that you have, you know. Follow the intuition that you have. And just try. Just try. If it don't work, it doesn't work. But if it works, I don't know what I'm good. I joke. But if it works, you know what I mean, you learn how to do it now, you know what I mean? You understand how to do it now. You see, it was just kind of weird to me. How I knew it, but me never knew it. I don't know if you explain what I said to you. So in a life, you know what I mean, follow your intuition and just try. Because it just might work. So you try and it never work. You're not gonna be in a worse off situation than where you were. Yeah, with that said, look more. That's when I feel the youth in high school and them things there. We know the struggle better because we did it, you know? Been spending most our lives beating on our meats every day and night. Been spending most our lives beating on our meats every day and night. Oh, why are we so blind to see that me and my niggas getting no booty? Been spending most our lives beating on our meats every day and night. Yes, I eat some food. And I feel the ants them a crawl around. So I say, alright, hungry and hungry too. and dash out some of my rice, give them. I wonder how happy they be, you know, because when me there right now, I know somewhere where food would have just drop. The thing crazy down there, you know. Everybody I get called to come take up food. Just like with the Portmore chicken. I went food truck crash. So everybody I get called. So a mad thing I go on down there, so you know, and get food for decades. The ants them have live dog. Right now all the little ants. Obia man. I be a forward him I get it. Oh Sensei! The great rice drop that you predicted has finally happened. It has happened? What am I saying? I knew it would happen. I told you guys it would happen. Yes, Sensei, the rice drop. Praise be to Sensei for the great rice drop. I knew Sensei was right all along. You didn't believe Sensei, but look at us now. The ends has been flossed with rice. I make Sensei thing get crazy, you know what you know. Drop some more rice on the place shell. Sensei, there is more rice. They just dropped the second one. What you mean one, you know? You never see the shave cat there? No, no can't come here, go mash up the great rice drop and eat it. Ain't serious. Alright. See there? Bro, are you dumb? Bro, there's food, bro. So that's what I rather do. I put on food there, so I rather go back after the dog. Stupid ass. You know no sense, you know big and fool like. I ants them alone have sense, boy. Oh yeah, your sense finally chip in. I use the fart, now, brother. You know if you behave so savage, use the fart, dog. Yo, if you don't fight or something, I thump on a honey, you know? Just know that. And if you have like a decency still and you can't just shove on the tongue in your box and you can't use the blood cleat fork. Gotta keep the floss on deck, you know what I'm saying? Yo, floss your teeth, man. Get in there, floss them teeth, bro. Thank me later. So after me feed them, they now have a decency if you take up the garbage. And just near my run gone. Grass is dog. Been listening to a lot of Carnival songs since I started listening to the radio. My favorite one right now is Take it easy, I will do the work. The work. She said, take it easy, boy. I will do the work. Work. Hands them I get crazy now. Good great Sensei, I get beer forward. Sensei! You are the greatest, Sensei! Everything jiggy with the now go on. And I keep the Easter season nice and holy. Yo, I buy this thing here for my lip. It's a scrub of sorts. Yeah, lip scrub. Because I have this line, I don't know if you see it. See this? So I try to get rid of that. Or at least just even it out so everything just look. You know, instead of have the line. It come from me doing this. Because sometimes when I'm mad, I bite my lip. Or unknowingly, like sometimes when I'm pensive, is pensive the word? When I'm thinking, let me just say that before me say fuck it. When I'm thinking, I bite my lip. How I know say from me biting? Because it's space. See the gap in my teeth and the space in my lip? Yeah. When I get the liquor scrub, I go in a pharmacy and ask the lady like what would be good for that. And she say I can use this lip scrub. So hopefully I see some improvement and then a lie she tell. I'm there so easy back. I just done do a bungalow work. I had some food and I'm there so I kinda make the food digest. But I feel like the content slow or nothing, you know. Yeah man, but I'm telling them I play the game, I know if I play the game. You know, so now I play the game. I think when I think them when I try to figure out also is the SEO, man. That's a big thing. SEO is important so that when people type in shit, them find like your latest video and all of them things. That's something we want to figure out. Some like a Indian youth did link me from Instagram or some shit like that. Ask me about SEO, but I'm not trust no Indian youth. Fuck at them the thief. My Facebook page. But I kind of my fault that still. Me did naive and think so me did get money. I was naive. Some brother from Pakistan. And then big dirty stinking Facebook. You can't get through to any form of customer support. And when I send them, they sit and say, yo, see them brother at TV page, them and tell me, say them look and them not see nothing suspicious. I pour them and them over there posting and I send it. That's why I say, yo, not again. I will never make another Facebook page. I dash more and dash for all Instagram right now because of Facebook only. I don't want nothing to do with stinking Facebook. For Facebook. Anyways, what me that talk about? What me that talk about? I don't remember what me that talk about. Oh yeah, bless up on yourself. Been spending most of the night beating on our meat every day and night. No, ads are play. You know, man get off. Come off of this, but me get off a freestyle. I'm too no. You don't know, say I'm crazy. I may say crazy again, me say you're crazy again. Too crazy from way back. Alright, they are so a bill and a chillin' at the dance. Mama see this long down in a me pants. She say, is it real? Me say, come take a glance. She took a glance, now she in a trance. Alright, some boy can't play lovers rock. No rubber dub for you. No rubber dub for you. Them pull up too fast, cause them can't last making love to you. Baby, I play rubber dub. I play the dub ski. Rubber dub I play the dub. Baby, I play rubber dub. I play the dub for you. Ooh.